Short on garden space? You can grow a mountain of fresh eggplants right on your balcony. Here's how, with one simple trick for an amazing harvest. Start with strong seedlings. Transplant them into sturdy polybags filled with well-draining soil. This setup is perfect for a sunny balcony. Gently transplant your seedling, water it in well, and find a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sun every day. Now for the secret: consistent feeding. Eggplants are heavy feeders. Every 2 weeks, give them a boost of compost or a balanced organic fertilizer. With plenty of sun and regular water, your plants will grow quickly. Those beautiful purple flowers are a sign of a bountiful harvest to come. You can help with pollination by gently tapping the flowers. Then, watch as the magic happens, and tiny eggplants start to grow. Harvest time. Pick them when they're firm and shiny. Regular harvesting will encourage the plant to produce even more fruit. There you have it, fresh homegrown eggplants right from your balcony. Give it a try and enjoy the delicious rewards.